all. I just wanted to record this quick video on how I'm going about resetting my classes for second semester to make sure I have the correct kids in them. So first I'm going to click on this GHS Learn student links. Then I'm going to go down here in the bottom, manage learning spaces. I'm going to click on there. And then for each one of my 3 classes for first and second semester, to realign teams, I'm going to click on the edit icon. I'm going to ignore everything until the very end, and I want to click on this. Notice how it says second semester right there. And then I'm going to hit save and update, and that should do the trick, and those should show up sometime tomorrow. So I'm going to turn around and do the same thing. For the next ones, hit my learning spaces, go to the second one on the list, go all the way to the bottom. This one happens to be to represent second period. Hit second period, hit save and update. Then I'm going to do it a third time for my third class. And this one happens to be first period. So I'm going to click on first period. I'm going to hit save and update. And so now my class codes in eSchool should match with teams as they populate, and the students should align to the appropriate classes. Thanks, and I hope that helps you work through this.